it's the Midnight Raven, and today we're going to do another unboxing. Good evening to my Premiere people that are watching this in the evening, or if you're watching this as a replay in the morning or the afternoon. I've been doing more replays recently, so you may have seen quite a lot of them. There is an actual playlist now for all my premieres, so if you want to see the premieres and read the chat beside it, you can do now. So today we're going to do Feel Unique. Feel Unique is a pick and mix sample service. So it's not a subscription box, it's a sample service. What that means is each month you get to pick 5 samples for $3.95. You can only do it once a month. It sucks really, but you can only do it once a month. They do have a store as well on there, so you can buy lots of other stuff or buy bigger products of the samples that you choose. You can only do it once a month, which I think is a bit poor. But I'd love to do it more often. But like I said, $3.95. I believe you still get the money back. Basically, the $3.95 for the samples, you get a voucher emailed to you for $3.95, which you can then spend in their store on other products, but you cannot use it to buy another pick and mix box. But you can use it to buy stuff on their site. So it's kind of, you're basically, if you then buy something, you're kind of getting it for free and you're kind of not. So, like I said, it comes in this box. This is, I don't know, I've done quite a few of these now. Last time it didn't come in a box, which was a shame, because I wanted to show you the box. They have changed the box slightly. They've gone, what I would say, a bit more cheaply with the box design. It looks like this. Usually it'd be a lot bigger. It was kind of gold design and everything, and now it's just this. So that's their social media. You got Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, and Twitter. You've also got the website, which is feelunique.com. I will actually put all the contents and the stuff down the bottom. It comes like this. You can open it, but generally everything falls out anyway. The box doesn't really keep the stuff in, to be fair. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. We do have 5 samples, which is good. I have my little sheet telling me what I ordered, so we can check. So we'll move the big box to the side. And then we have this, which says, Feel Unique, pick and mix. Now you can play with your 5 fab new products. On the back it says, whoop, your pick and mix is here. Like this. Don't forget to check your dispatch email to find out how you can claim back the shipping on your next haul. So the $3.95 you pay, you can actually get it back and use it on your next shopping haul within the site. If you adore all of these, just let us know. Join the hashtag Fun Squad and share your experiences on both Instagram and Twitter with the hashtag PickMe. And that is from the team. So that's kind of cool that they put a little thing in. I have my little legend. And then I have the 5 samples. Cool. Right, so let's get right into it. So let's go for this one. This is the Yves Saint Laurent Mon Paris. This is the Yves Saint Laurent Mon Paris Couture. And this is a perfume sample. So the box looks really cool. Let's see how we get into it. We get the sample out. Do I have to rip the pretty box? You have to rip or tear the pretty box? I guess. I guess it's perforated down there. Oh, there we go. And it opens up and it looks like this. So this is obviously just one of these Diddy samples, but it's not even that full. Look at that. It's so tiny. It's the Mon Paris. Let's see what it smells like, because that's the most important thing with a fragrance. You don't want it to be too strong or too light. I can't remember what this is fragranced with. A sparkling white. So, in further inspection into the tiny writing, it is fragrance with rosebud, and a sprinkle of grapefruit essence. So it's actually quite nice. I actually like that. It's a very light scent, but as I said, look, it's a very small bottle, a very small sample, in fact. But it is nice. It does smell all right. With me, I'm quite fussy with perfumes. I don't things like too overpowering or too underpowering. I like a kind of mid-range. I'm fussy. Right, the next one I got is a duo. This only counts as one though. This is the Bumble and Bumble thickening shampoo and conditioner. The first step to styling with body and lift. And these are really full sachets. You could probably get 2 washes out of them. It's for fine to medium hair, which is what I have. My hair is, it breaks really easily, but it is quite thick. It doesn't say anything else. It just says volumizing shampoo. You just lather it into your hair and wash out. So it's a fairly simple concept. But I've heard of Bumble and Bumble before. And I thought, why not? What's the harm? And especially when it became with the shampoo and the conditioner, which meant I could try both to see whether it really did give you the volume thickening. It's the volume thickening cream as well for both of them. So hopefully it will thicken my hair. And if it does work on one wash, I'd then go and purchase a full size of this, which I could then use the $3.95 that I then got back from the postage. Next, I got this Liborex sample. It looks like this, Liborex Paris. Now this, I believe, was a face cream sample. It's an anti-aging supreme mask. So it's basically this cream that you just stick on your face, and it's meant to reduce the lines of anti-aging. There's the full size, if you can see it here. It is, again, a very small sample. It's just 5 mils in there. I don't even think it would cover your entire face. You'd probably get just under your eyes done, or your T-zone if you want to do your wrinkles up here, maybe. It's a very small sample again. I must say that I suppose with it being $3.95, the samples are going to be small, but they are quite small though. But you do get it back though. Technically, you get the $3.95 back, but that's only beneficial to it if you then go on the site and buy something. Next, we got the Nanogen 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner sample. So this is the thickening hair treatment for men. So this is the men's one. And I got this for my eldest son, who does sports, and I thought this would be quite cool. It's a thickening treatment for men, or my partner, for when he goes thin on top. It comes like this. It doesn't really say much on it. It just says a thickening cream, a multi-targeted shampoo and conditioner, dermatologically tested. So that's kind of cool. Nice little sample once again. And then the 5th sample is the Givenchy gloss trio samples. It looks like this. I'll explain more in a minute. So these are glosses, and we have 3 samples here. The gloss says Gloss Intrepidant Vinyl. Ooh, very fancy. So from reading the tiny writing, you get a Noir sample. You can read that. You get a Rose sample, which has a pinky colour. This one has a black colour. And then you get the Rouge Thriller, which is a red colour. You also get a applicator brush as well. It's a little tiny brush, if you can see it there. You also get a guide on the side, going from dark to light. These are basically like little poppets that are underneath. It comes like this. Basically, you just pop them out of the little packet, and it's just filled with a little gloss for you to try. That's kind of cool. Let's have a look. hate it when you can't read the writing. See, you've got black, kind of rosy pink, and then you've got the red there, so that looks kind of cool. They're little testers. I thought I'd get that just to try, because I've never tried any of Givenchy's products before, and I was like, ooh, well that sounds interesting. Let's give it a go. And with the fact it had 3 samples in, okay, they're only little dot samples, but they are still samples nonetheless, which works out good for me. So, recap time. We got 5 items for $3.95. You do get an email sent to you with your day of dispatch, when they dispatch it, saying that you can get $3.95 off other items on the site, but you cannot get another pick and mix. You get 5 items that you choose out of a wide range. I think there's maybe 100, 150 items on there. There are quite a lot of items on there. They range from perfumes, you've got hair samples, you've got lipstick samples or gloss. There's items for men as well as for women. There's face creams, there's balms. There's so much on there. There's absolutely so many different samples. They do range in sizes, like some are 5 ml, some are 2 ml, some are 0.5 ml, some will be like this where you get the 3 little things. Some of them come in duo, so you'll get the shampoo and the conditioner. Other ones are 2-in-1, so you don't need a second sample. Face masks like this obviously are really small, so they'll just do like your T-zone or your eyes. Perfumes are usually these small little bottles, and they usually are quite nice. So, just to recap, we got the Yves Saint Laurent perfume in Rosebud, which is really, really nice. It smells so gorgeous. It's the Mon Rose Couture Yves Saint Laurent, and I love the packaging. We got the Liberec face mask, which I can try. We got the Nanogin for Men thickening hair treatment. My partner's just about to have a haircut right now, so he might need to try this eventually. Then we got the B&B Bumble and Bumble hair thickening serum, and you got shampoo and conditioner there. So I can try both, which is awesome. I love the fact that when they give samples, they're either a 2-in-1 or generally they are a shampoo and a conditioner. I don't like it when you get just the option of a shampoo or a conditioner as a separate item. I like the fact that this is, they could have taken that apart and done it as 2 separate items, but they didn't. They did it as one, which I think is a brilliant idea, because once you've done the shampoo and the conditioner, you'll know whether you like it or not. And obviously for the 2-in-1 products, you'll know from the start. Then we got the Givenchy gloss samples, and there's 3 there. Again, we've got black, we've got rose, which isn't showing up because the rose is virtually clear. It's like a clear rose. There you go. And then we got the red, which is perfect because it's actually Halloween in 2 days. So it then comes in this box, and you can follow them on all their social media. This is the little thing we got with them. Their social media is on there, and the website. And like I said, you get the $3.95 back if you then go on to purchase anything else apart from the pick and mix box on their website. You get it back, which is perfect. I haven't used mine yet. I don't know if it runs out every month or whether it accumulates. So that is something I don't know, but I will try and find out and comment down below. If you want to like and subscribe to me, that would be awesome. I'm actually doing a Premiers playlist now. So all these Premiers, you'll be able to read the chat back in the Premiers playlist so that you can see what everybody else says. Or you can watch it as a normal video just on my Premiers as it's up and when it's loaded. So if you haven't already, on your way out, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider it. I do have loads of unboxings coming up. And if you want to like and subscribe to me and hit that notification bell, I'd be much appreciative. Have a good evening, good afternoon, or good morning wherever you are. And I'll see you very soon. Bye.